Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our brand new 3rd generation LED Raptor grill light kit on a 2024 F150. The lights look incredible, they really help the truck stand out, plus they're easy to install, and we're going to show you how it's done right now. So installing your Raptor grill kit here on your 2024 F150 is going to be extremely easy, but one of the first things that you have to decide is where you want your lights. So the kit's very versatile in allowing you to go with a 3 light, or 4 light, 5, or even more if you wanted configuration. You're not limited by some set bracket, so you can mount them where you like. So today we're going to be doing a more traditional 3 light setup, and we're going to be starting here in the middle, and then we're going to put a light here and here so that they're symmetrical. Like I said, you could go with a 5 kit or a 4 if you wanted to go off center. Plus you can even mount them within the grill. It's really up to your preference, but we're gonna mount our lights here at the top above the grill in that 3 light configuration. All right, so once you decide where you want your lights, you're gonna wanna make sure that your mounting location is ready for maximum adhesion. So take the included wipes. You're just going to want to make sure that each area where you plan to mount a light is very clean. And then this will allow our adhesion to be as strong as possible. This 3rd generation Raptor light kit has gel adhesive. So once you set these lights, they're going to be extremely strong. So you're going to want to be careful as you peel this red protective film off, and as you set your light, we're going to go ahead and run our harness here through the grill. But once you set that light, it's going to stay there. So be very careful that you got it right where you want it before you center. So, and then you want to apply pressure directly up for about 15 to 20 seconds should do. You'll repeat this process for each light. With our lights installed, now we'll be able to make the connections. Now it's not necessary, but it does make this part a little easier just to remove some of these push tabs so that this top little protective valance can lift up. Now it's a lot easier if you have the easy installation toolkit from F150 LEDs. Allows you to just kind of get under these a lot easier. To pull up these push pin tabs. What that's going to allow us to do is just lift up on this cover, and that's going to help make it a lot easier to route our wires. Take some pliers, pull up on this, and then you'll be able to reach down and grab that harness from your light. And just pull it all the way through. So now we've got all our wiring connectors here. So what we're going to do is just route it to the side, because we've got our Raptor connector light with our IP69 compression tabs here. This is going to be the harness side that connects to the truck behind the headlight assembly, or to our upfitter switches, however you're installing your kit today. And I'm just going to route these cables towards that harness, towards those IP69 compression fittings, just like so. And now we'll be able to come over here and make our connections. So you go ahead and connect each light, and you'll notice with these compression tabs, there's a opening channel here at the top, and that's gonna mate up with that channel there. So let's make sure that you got your polarity correct. So push in all the way, and then we're gonna bring our lock ring collar, screw it all the way down. That's gonna compress that O-ring, giving us that weather tight seal. Go ahead and connect all 3 lights in the same way. Last light here. Okay, so now our lights are connected to our harness. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna route this harness wire that has the red and black wires down behind this headlight assembly, because we're gonna make the connection today using our side marker light. Now we do provide a lot of extra harness here in case you're gonna run it to an aux splitter switch or you wanna use a different power source. But since we're not using that extra length today, we're gonna use the included zip tie here just to clean up this extra wire. And then we will put our push tabs back in place on that valence. Then all that's left is to show you how to connect behind this headlight assembly. To gain access to our side marker light here, we simply need to pull back on this wheel well liner. And there's gonna take 3 bolts, one located here at the bottom, one located above it here in kind of the midsection, and then one here that's holding this wheel well liner to this plastic fender. Now we can use a size 7 socket to remove each of those bolts. Now with our 3 bolts removed, we'll be able to temporarily push this wheel well liner up and out of our way. With our liner removed, you'll be able to reach up behind this headlight assembly here and grasp the side marker light connector with a counterclockwise turn. It will unlock and it will allow you to pull this connector down. Now we'll be able to grab the end of our Raptor harness here that we routed behind the headlight assembly, and we're going to attach our easy T-splice connectors. This makes connecting into the truck's harness extremely easy. So just take the single side and slide it into the opening on the end here, and then we're just gonna press down until you hear it click into place, just like so. And then put one on the black ground side here. Make sure it goes all the way in this T-clip. Press down, hear it click. So now we're ready to attach to the side marker light. So let's grab our side marker here, and then we're going to match up the black wire with the wire that has black here. I'll try to show you, it's a little bit tight to show the camera. So you'll just wrap both ends here on our easy T-splice connector, apply pressure down, and you'll feel it tighten in place. Do the same for the power wire here. Just make sure that the wire is in the channel. Take our pliers, push down, and that's it. Now we can reinstall our marker light assembly here and button up our wheel well liner, and we'll be good to go. So that's all there is to installing your 3rd generation LED Raptor grill kit on your 2024 and up F-150. They look fantastic and they really help set your truck apart from the rest. We guarantee you're gonna love them. You can check them out right now at f150leds.com, where you'll find all of our custom built LED lighting products built specifically for your 2024 and up Ford F-150. We truly appreciate your support. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube so you don't miss out on any of the new products that we've got coming. And also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at F150 LEDs. We truly appreciate your support and look forward to serving you soon. Thanks, guys.